In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of setting up a public profile on Snapchat. If you're eager to start sharing spotlights and more but unsure how to go about it, follow along step by step. To begin, ensure that your Snapchat app is fully updated. Once updated, open the app and locate your profile picture in the top left corner. Tap on it to access your profile page. Within this page, scroll down to find the Public Profile subsection. If you can't immediately find this option, it might be because your account is set to private. To remedy this, navigate to the Settings icon and then proceed to the Privacy section. Here, make sure that all privacy settings are configured to everyone, including Ghost Mode, View My Story, and Who Can Contact Me. After adjusting your privacy settings, return to your profile page. If you still don't see the Create Public Profile option, it could be because your account is under the age of 18. In such cases, consider creating a new account with an age over 18. Once you're eligible to create a public profile, simply click on the Create Public Profile option and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up. You'll then be able to customize your profile to your liking. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy a public presence on Snapchat.